Welcome students, a very good morning to all the students out there. As you know, we have already started our new series of Managerial Economics. The famous and the renowned title, that is a Topics in Minutes. We cover each and every important topic of Managerial Economics, that too in very few minutes. If you are new to the channel, visiting the channel for the first time, you can do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you receive the notification for the video and the topic. As soon as the video is uploaded, you will receive the notification so that you do not miss on any important topic. You miss the topic, you miss the question. And you miss the question, your chances of selection is reduced. You should be thorough with each and every topic. The questions can be framed in any of the topic from anywhere. So you should be very thorough with the topic. That's why we have consolidated the matter into a very concise and streamlined way. Our team of experts have consolidated this matter from more than 100 plus writers. So let's start for the day and begin our series, Managerial Economics, most important series, Topics in Minutes. We have direct and derived demands. This is the first topic we are going to discuss today. This is an important one. Now let us see what are those. Direct demands refers to demand for goods meant for final consumption. Important key point, you can make a note of it. It is a demand for consumers' goods like food items, ready-made garments, and houses. By contrast, derived demand refers to demand for goods which are needed for further production. It is the demand for producers' goods like industrial raw materials. You have machine tools and equipments. Thus, the demand for an input, what is called a factor of production, is a derived demand. Its demand depends on the demand for output where the input enters. I'm pretty sure you have noted down the key points, or you can do one thing, you can take a screenshot and make your handy notes later. But go through the notes before the final exam. Revision is very much important to crack the exam. Now let us cover some other key points. These are the domestic and the industrial demands. These are also very important. Now let us see what are these all about. The example of the refrigerator can be stated to distinguish between the demand for the domestic consumption and the demand for industrial use. In case of certain industrial raw materials, which are also used for domestic purpose, this distinction is very meaningful. For example, coal has both domestic and industrial demand, and the distinction is important from the standpoint of pricing and distribution of coal. Very important one, you can jot down in your notes. Coal has both domestic and industrial demand, and the distinction is important from the standpoint of pricing and distribution of coal. Now let us see some other key points. An important topic, this one. This also is being asked in your competitive exams. These are perishable and durable goods demands. Now let us see what is this all about. We have consumer goods and producers' goods that are further classified into perishable and non-perishable single-use goods and durable non-perishable repeated-use goods. The former refers to final output like bread or raw material like cement, which can be used only once. The latter refers to items like shirt, car or a machine, which can be used repeatedly. In other words, we can classify goods into several categories. Single-use consumer goods, single-use producer goods, durable-use consumer goods, and durable-use producers goods. These are the simple ones, self-explanatory, not much explanation is needed in these. You can easily understand. Rest of the topics we will see in the next class. I am definitely 100% sure you will be liking the series. If you are liking it, just do one thing. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you receive the notification on time. You do not miss any key topic or any key point. If you miss the topic, your chances of selection gets reduced. So go through the topic thoroughly, make your handy notes. You can pause the video, you can go through the videos many number of times. Do make your handy notes, and if you are facing any challenges, any difficulty in any of the topic of managerial economics or any subject of management, just feel free to write a comment. We will try to upload a video as soon as possible. We'll meet you soon and continue our series. Most important one, the topics in minutes of managerial economics in the next class.